Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's see how to solve the ninth question in exercise 7.1. If Q0, 1 is equidistant from P5, minus 3 and R x, 6, find the values of x. Also, find the distances QR and PR. So first, let's make a note of the points. So Q is going to be given as 0, 1. P is marked as 5, minus 3. R is marked as x, 6. It's been given that QP is actually equal to QR. That is what is given to us. So we don't want to handle the roots, remember. So I'm squaring this on both sides. So QP square is equal to QR square. Now let's write the distance formula once. So distance is going to be square root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square, all of which inside a root. Now let's start to calculate what is QP square. So this is 0 minus 5 the whole square plus 1 minus of minus 3 is plus 3 the whole square. This is equal to 0 minus x the whole square plus 1 minus 6 the whole square. So this is 5 square plus 4 square is equal to x square plus 5 square. So you can simply strike out which is common. So 5 square and 5 square goes away. So x squared is equal to 4 squared or x squared is equal to 16, which means x is equal to plus or minus 4. So these are the values of x. Now the next part of the question was find the distance QR and PR. Okay, so let's take the case 1 as plus 4 and then find out the value. PR, in this case, there is no difference. So let's directly compute the value of P. What is asked is QR and PR. So first let's compute QR. So in this case, I'm going to take case 1 as x is equal to plus 4. So now the points that we're looking at is 0, 1 and 4, 6. So QR is equal to square root of 0 minus 4 the whole squared plus 1 minus 6 the whole squared. So this is 4 square is 16 plus 5 square is 25. In this case, this is going to be root 41. Now let's compute PR square. So PR is going to be equal to square root of 5 minus 4 the whole square plus minus 3 minus 6 the whole square, which is equal to 1 square plus 9 square, which is root 82. This is for the case 1 where x is going to be equal to plus 4. Now we will repeat the same process taking case value of x is equal to minus 4. So in this case, case 2, x is equal to minus 4. So now let's find out what is QR. In this case, the points are going to be 0, 1 and minus 4, 6. So QR is equal to square root of 0 minus of minus 4 is plus 4 the whole square, 1 minus 6 the whole square. So this is 4 square plus 5 square. So in this case, it's going to be root 41. Now let's compute PR. In this case, it is 5 minus of minus 4 is plus 4. So 5 plus 4 the whole square minus 3 minus 6 the whole square, which is equal to 9 square plus 9 square, 81 plus 81. So root 162. So each cases, you please ensure that you take a case 1 for both the distances and case 2 for both the distances. And depending upon these different values, you can just mark it as a final answer. In the next video, we will see how to solve the 10th question in exercise 7.1.
Please extend your support to me by subscribing to my channel Smartly Learn. You can also reach out to me through my website www.smartlylearn.in for more practice worksheets. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.